Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is another college in Bangalore called Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, and so if your ranks are at a lower side and you are looking for options in CSC and few of the branches, then you can check the placements in this video and then decide if it is option which is available near to your home. So let's start about the first with the campus and the college facilities. So college is located in the heart of the city, and its location is quite near to the railway station. So which is just 7 kilometers, and the Bangalore airport is around at the distance of 15 to 20 kilometers from there. So it's near to the Hebbal area. So from the facilities perspective, they do have a laboratories and the libraries all according to the norms of the AICT and the approval process, and they have classrooms which are well furnished and ventilated. I'll show some of the pictures of the facilities, and audio visual rooms all supporting the different type of educational requirements, right? So this is about the library and the information center which they have access to a good decent number of books is what they have detailed about. And then they on the campus they have a cafeteria facility, so this is one of the picture. And they also provide a college canteen with a multiple food option or food styles, basically vegetarian, non-vegetarian, North Indian and South Indian all can be delivered in this canteen. And this is one of the picture from their internet center or the computer laboratories. And the teaching staff ratio they maintain is around 1:10. So and they boast about having a decent size experienced staff for the those purpose. This is one of the typical classroom on this college. And these are some of the laboratories for practical purposes, for electrical, for mechanical, and the other students part of the facility. This is a picture of the playground which they have on the campus, and these are some of the pictures of the different extracurricular or the cultural activities which happens on the college, right? Like a yearly event, or based on a particular occasion, right? So these are some of the pictures of those. So it is in the mid of the city, right? Location wise also decent. And they also provide for college hostel if it is far away. So hostel for both boys and girls are available on the campus, and with the decent security, high security, and the canteen provided part of. For the day scholars who want to come from their home, the transport facility is available again from the different parts of the city, right? And now coming to the course part of it, so that they have a more of a traditional branches like a computer science engineering, information science engineering is not here, and electronics and the communication is the next branch. So that is the two branch I will suggest most of the time you can take here. Otherwise, biomedical engineering is also available, electrical and electronics, civil, and then mechanical engineering is available. It has a PG options also, like MBA is one of them, and apart from that MTech side, it is a computer science, nanotechnology, material science, and the energy systems. So now coming to the fees part of it, so from the fees perspective, it is quite economical, and the students who are looking for doing engineering at lower rank, at lower fees also. So this is the best option. If you can see, computer science engineering fees through comedk is only 1,25,000. So in 1,25,000, you can book a seat in CSC, and electronics and communication only 80,000. Biomedical engineering I think is a demand for this college, so biomedical engineering is the highest fees in this college, 1,43,700 through comedk. Rest branches are even available at the fees of 50,000, like mechanical, civil, and electrical. So it is easier to take through comedk these branches rather than KCET fees. So KCET fees is what you see in the right side, where government fees is mentioned. So it is 71,874 is the tuition fees which is applicable now for this year as a tuition fee per year, and above that you will also be required to pay 20,000 as a other fees. So total will be 91,000, 71 plus 20, and the breakup of that 20,000 is given here. It includes your lab, library, your digital library, internet of things, equipment maintenance, placements, and sports facility usage, study material, all put together 19,850. So total 71 plus 20, approximately 91,000. That bracket it is there for the general category. Now coming to the placements part of it, it doesn't have a large number of seats. The number of seats are quite less in this college. And if you see a UG course, right, so for the UG course for CSE, computer science engineering, there are total 97 students which are part of computer science. So not even 100 students were there, and out of which 97, only 65 are eligible for the placements, and out of the 65 who were eligible for the placement, 49 got placed, right? So this is about decently okay, and the salary they will get into the range of 4.5 to 8 lakhs for the computer science. You can take this branch. Even for a EC, the number of seats are quite low. If you can see, only 39 seats are there, and out of 39 seats, only 22 students are eligible and 19 got placed. So decently, in terms of percentage placement for ECE also, so 4.5 to 6 lakhs is the package you can expect here, right? Even civil, the total number of students are very less, which is just 32, and out of which 19 are eligible and 12 got placed. So that way, number of students which are eligible and number of students get placed is decently equal. Biomedical engineering, 11 students got placed. Mechanical engineering, 10 students got placed out of 29. And triple E, 22 students there, 14 only eligible and 10 got placed. MBA, 24 students only, 10 eligible and 14 got placed. And the highest salary for there is average MBA is 6.5 lakhs. Others is 4.5 to 8 lakhs or 4 to 6 lakhs. You can expect, right? Most of the branches here. Let me also show you the placement student wise for a particular 20 passing batch, right? So you will know which are the type of companies which are visiting. So you can see first student is Mindtree with a 4.8 lakhs package, IBM one student 4.5, Cognizant one student 5 lakhs, and Infosys one student 4 to 6 lakhs, Infosys two students basically, UST Global 3.8. So companies are coming decent. Amazon, you can see 5 to 6 students at the salary between 4 to 8 lakhs. So Amazon is not offering the highest salaries like 30-40 lakhs, but 5 students they have selected at 4 to 6. Similarly, Wipro, you see 2 students 4 lakhs, Sasken another 2 students you see 4 lakhs. So companies are quite good, but number of selections are very low. Now if you move to the next, which is Cognizant, so that is quite good, around 10 to 12 students you can see at the salary of 4 lakhs. Sonata is also a decent company, and you can see 2 students at the salary of 4 lakhs. Also there is another company which is mentioned, ABC company, which is salary between 3 to 6 lakh, around 10 students, and Energia Technolabs, which also take interns. Few more students you see joined Energia Technolabs, which is like an interns, and there's another company, multinational, Fanuc India Private Limited, offering between 3.5 lakh to 4.5 lakhs. I'm assuming mechanical, electrical, and the electronic students may be joining this 10 students. And then there's a placement come training model of Q Spider. So there you see at least 12 to 15 students at the salary of 3 to 4 lakhs. And in this sheet also you see another company. It's a sort of a mass recruiter, large number of students they have selected. The company name is called UBU Revolutions Private Limited, between the salary of 3 to 3.5 lakhs. And further, if you see in this sheet, right, you see few students part of the Smart Brains Technologies, again 4 students, 4 to 3 to 5 lakh salary range. And the Pentagon Services, you see some students at 4 to 10 lakh salary. So depending on the student, 5 to 6 students are there. So you can assume that 8 to 10 lakhs will be the maximum salary in this college. And if it's near to your home and number of students are less, so then you can take this option, and given your ranks are also very low. And that's all I have to cover for the placement and the facilities part of you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar important updates. Take care and bye.